Imagine your ERP system could help you stay ahead of the competition and ensure the success of your business well into the future. When making an investment into ERP solution, you need assurances that the solution and the company you're partnering with can easily scale and adapt with your business. This is even more important given the complexity of the market space. If you're growing as a business or consolidating, you need a solution that enables you to execute on your strategy, streamline processes, and help you make the right decisions to become more competitive. A solution backed and supported by a team that understands your business as well as you do. SYSPRO ERP fulfills all these criteria and more.
At SYSPRO, we work with our customers to maximize their investment in SYSPRO software on an ongoing basis. Our products are continually being developed and enhanced to simplify complex technologies and streamline business processes. SYSPRO has 40 years of industry-specific ERP experience and expertise that you can use to your benefit. It is our focus on specific industries that speeds up implementation and ultimately results in a faster return on investment. Every day we're developing and enhancing our software to anticipate and solve the challenges faced by business owners in the manufacturing and distribution sector. Whether adopting emerging disruptive technologies that add value or by improving current operational capabilities, SYSPRO is always at the forefront of innovation. By selecting robust and proven technologies that are fully scalable, we can help you plan and implement the right technology in a predictable, strategic manner that avoids costly errors, while you benefit from all the innovation that matters and none that doesn't. We have our eye on the future, and we're here to make sure you're ready for it.
In order to get the most out of your ERP solution, you need to have expert implementers who understand your needs. You also need reliable support and to be empowered with knowledge. With SYSPRO, you get more than a software solution. You onboard a global team of industry experts committed to simplifying your success, speaking your language, and future-proofing your business. Our implementation teams assist in reviewing and streamlining your business processes to provide a full understanding of your environment and to enable delivery of your ERP objectives. The ideal implementation methodology provides a structured, collaborative, and transparent approach. You can trust our team to assist you in optimizing and extending the software to deliver competitive advantage in your industry. Ensuring that you have reliable ERP support when you need it is key to our support offering. And we provide a number of services ranging from self-help, remote and on-site support to helping you make the most of your SYSPRO investment. In addition, our support portal, the InfoZone, provides you with all the latest news and information, and the knowledge base provides easy access to solutions for common challenges. Because education plays a vital role in optimizing your SYSPRO experience and user capability, the SYSPRO Learning Channel offers a wide range of comprehensive courses that you can access when you need them. The certification programs and leaderboards encourage and promote learning and enable a career path within the SYSPRO ecosystem. With SYSPRO, our services are geared to enable and empower you to help yourself. SYSPRO is your current and future business partner